Good morning, friends. Welcome to the lecture on Libreoffice Calc, which is nothing but the same Microsoft Excel that you use on Windows. We will write a small application that will collect the numbers from the corners on the left and right. So your output must be like it's 1, 2 here, it's 3, 8 here, and something like that. Pick the numbers from the either ends. So here we will use the inbuilt function regex to remove all the alphabets from the string, so that we will left with only the numbers. Regex of a1 comma, we need to remove all the alphabets, so we use the class alphabet pattern class alphabet, remove it with empty string, and the last argument is the flag, which means if you put a global, it will remove all the alphabet patterns. If you don't put it, it will remove only one instance of the pattern. Okay, so now we got the result 12. So here 38, fine. Here we are getting a large number because there are too many digits in this. Here we are getting 7. So we need to process it again to get we need to get only the first and last. So what we will do, we will use left function and b3 comma, pick one character from left and pick one character from right, and give it as output. Okay, now we are good to go. So this is our first exercise. We have completed it well. It's simple. So you learned how to use the regex function, original string, what you want to replace, to be replaced with what, and if you are using global and all, it will replace many. That's all. Now comes the more complex part. We are not going to use regex. Instead we will use our own function, corner numbers of a1. It says name error because we have not yet defined the function. We are going to write our own function, corner numbers. So we will initialize first as -1, last as -1. Now we will walk through the string for I equal to 1 to length of input string. If in string 1 comma this instring function is a pattern searcher. If you use the C, you will have string function, same like that. Starting from this place, that is 1, you search for the occurrences of this last argument in the second argument. This is a way you get to single character from string, the character at the ith location from input string. So if there is a number, if first is equal to -1, then put it in first. Else put it in last. and finally there's no return statement. You just need to assign the value to the function name, and here and is the string concatenation operator. So we are done with that. Save it. Oh, thank God we have completed it. It's working. So let us check it for all the inputs. Oh my goodness, it's not working at the end. Any guesses why it is not? Okay, here let's see. Here there is only one number. There are two numbers at both the corners. So the last is not assigned to any value. So we will change that. If there is last is not changed, then we make last as same as the first. Save it, compile it. Cheers, it's working good. I hope you all are able to understand the concept. So finally we are running to the last part, which is the most complex of all three. Here the numbers are not only in digit form, they are also in words form. So we need to search for word patterns. So what we will do, we will use this here. If it is not we will put a else condition where if it is not digit, we will search for word. So we will write a function we write a function here. It takes a string and returns a number. we have successfully written this functions, so we will go ahead and test them. It is not working. Let's put a breakpoint here and find out what is wrong. So buff is 2, the temp must be 2. We need to make it, it's not mid, it's wrong here. See, it has picked 82, 3, it has picked 8 and 3. We will copy 21. Okay, now it is all set and it's working properly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just put your comments and any doubts you have at the video's end. Thank you all.